What made you decide to join ACS?
No,
What
I'm
made you
quite
decide that?
I listen to a lot of Vedantic feeds on YouTube, and I liked a couple of videos that I've seen of Sujanji. And then I went to his website and I saw that there is this course. So I was thinking about it. I said, maybe this will help me get into a rhythm and a discipline, which I needed.
True.
And so I just had a couple of, I was thinking through a bit and then I decided to take this up.
So, how was your overall experience with respect to ACS after joining? I mean,
Monday and Wednesday calls are amazing. And I think Monday calls, especially with Sujanji, I love it. And
okay.
every time it gives me a new perspective. And, I like to take up some of those methods and strategies. And yeah, so that has been very good. I found a lovely accountability partner in Olivia. So we've been
Okay.
having calls every Thursday. Uh, uh, Technically, it's one of the best calls I ever have. Like, we share a lot of information about what each one of us are doing. I was just telling you the affirmation, personal
Affirmation,
affirmation he
yes.
gave me. I think that has helped because yes, definitely there was a sense of urgency and all of that. And I've been slowly telling myself that I have to be in that awareness, see my life unfold. So that has helped me immensely. I say that affirmation every day, so I feel my pace is, kind of smoothened, and I feel good about it. Definitely participating in all the satsang and classes and all that, and my own continuation of reading the scriptures is definitely helping me, Aishwarya.
Yes. The way you handle things would have improved, right?
Yeah,
After
yeah, definitely.
all
Even the
this.
thought process, right? Sometimes you're just telling yourself,
Yes.
oh, this has to happen, that has to happen. That has smoothened for sure. I think it's amazing work that Sujanji is doing. Great mission. It's important that a team like yours comes and spreads the goodness of Vedanta, make people realize that there is something beyond our body and mind, and that itself is a beginning of liberation, right? I think if we all start going to that path, we can live more freely. I also like the aspect of outer success and inner peace, which Sujanji speaks about.
Yes.
I think we all need success in our pursuits. I'm now writing a book and I'm hoping that it reaches a lot of people. So we all have pursuits that we want to achieve,
Right.
which is fine, but we cannot get trapped in that
Yes.
thing. So,
Internally, we should have that clarity. We should have that detachment. That is why he
exactly.
says, yeah, monk at heart and warrior in action. He
Yeah,
says.
absolutely. So I think those are all nice reminders for me. ACS is about a community, about a discipline of getting into the calls. Reminder comes, and I'm like, yeah, I have something to do, and I do my
Yes.
meditate. I've been a meditator for quite some time, but now I'm stepping it up more. So overall, it's an amazing community, and I wish you all good luck because I think it is important we have people like you and Sujanji to spread goodness in this world.
When we start with our short term goals using conscious creation, and when we achieve it, it becomes like a motivating factor for us, and we want to do more and more. That is how it actually starts when we achieve something using conscious creation, and then we want to do more and then more, and that's how it happens. Beautiful. So in one word, what would you describe ACS if you want to describe?
Uplifting?
Beautiful, yeah. That is what is very much needed also, right, for people. Yeah. It is like we know what to do, but sometimes we don't. The implementation part is where
Yeah,
we get stuck. Yes.
exactly, exactly. Yeah.